All right, boys and girls, today's lesson is lesson 2-3, and we're going to continue talking about multiplication. We kind of tackle the eights today a little bit, but most importantly, I want you to kind of refresh what we did yesterday. I know we had a lot of fun with these drawings yesterday, the number puzzles. So why don't you take a few minutes to just pause it and fill out this in your math notebook and complete it. So I'm just gonna have you pause it and then finish it. All right. So hopefully you, if you've paused it to work on this, great. If you haven't, still pause it to work on this and finish it, because I'm gonna go over it now. All right. So I'm gonna start from the inside out. There's ways to find the outside. It's easy to find the inside. Notice we have no numbers on top. There's no factors on top. So we have to do a lot of division on this one. So let's start with one of the easiest ones we have here. In here we have a 4. We know that 4 is the product of 2 times something else. So we know 2 times 2 is 4. Another one, let's go over to the other one, 12 here. That 12 is the product of 2 times something. Well, you know 2 times 6 equals 12. So we're taking care of the top easily here. Let's get 7 and 21. We know 21 is a product of 7 times something. You should know 7 times 3. Or 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Okay, so we're really tackling the top here. This one's a little bit tougher to find. Between the 2 and 3, so we can't really tell with the 27 yet, but we can tell with the and I made a mistake actually, so I need to change that real quick. This was supposed to be 25. Okay. So you probably already tried doing it and it didn't work for you, so you're probably like, what? How do I get that? I'm so confused now. So hopefully you're not. Hopefully you understand that people make mistakes, and I made one. So 15 is a, what is that? 15 is a product of 3 times something, and you know it's 3 times 5. Therefore, 25 is a product of 5 times 5. Excuse me. So now we have all the outside factors. So this should be easy from this point on. So let's go. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 6 is 30. And I'm going to guess a lot of you have this top row wrong because I had 27 in there, so don't worry too much about it. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 6 is 18. All right, so I apologize. We'll work on this in a small group. We'll do some more of these in small group. I know you all enjoy them, so we'll take care of that in small group. Okay, turn your workbook page. These are fast array drawings, okay, to where you kind of have to use division in them or multiplication, but just quick array drawings rather than draw every single spot on the inside of them. You're just doing a fast array. It's a quick drawing. So you need to find the unknown number for each fast array drawing. Here we have the product. We have one of the factors. You should know that 7 is the other factor. Here we have both factors, so you need to multiply them. 6 times 8 is 48. Here we have the product and one of the factors, so we know 64 divided by 8 is the same as 8 times something, which is 8 times 8. I'm going to do 4 through 6, and then I want you to do the rest on your own. 63 is the product of 9 times 7. 6 times 4 is 24. 5 times something gets you 20. 20 divided by 5 gets you 4. And now I want you to pause it and work on 7 through 15 on your own. And then unpause it and I'll go over the answers with you. Alright, hopefully here you said 45 divided by 9 equals 5. That means 5 times 9 is 45. Here we have both the factors, so 6 times 6 is 36. Here we have 7 times something, or 56 divided by 7 gives you 8. Here we have 7 times 7, which is 49. Here we have 40 as our product. 5 is one of our factors. 8 is one of our factors. 40 divided by 8 equals 5. Therefore, 5 times 8 equals 40. Here, 24 divided by 8 equals something. That something multiplied by 8 equals 24. That's 3. Here we have the outside factors, easy, 72. Here we have 100 as our product. 10 is one of our factors, so 10 times something gives you 100. Easy one, 100. Here's same another easy one. 25 is your product. 25 divided by 5 equals something. That same something multiplied by 5 equals 25. Gives you the answer of 5. All right, when we're in small group, we're going to keep working on the puzzles. Hopefully I get them right this time, so where I don't confuse you, because there's probably some of you still working on it because you don't know how that could possibly happen. So hopefully I didn't mess you up too much.